Hello and welcome back to Loud Creations. Today I am checking in on my lemon rosemary mead. How long ago did I start this? Okay, it's been a solid 2 weeks. Actually, it's been a little over 2 weeks. And it's still bubbling away, but I want to get this off of the lemons that are in there. So I'm going to go ahead and rack it and do a gravity reading to see where we're at. And I might even taste it just because why not? Yeah, so here I go. So all I'm going to do is put the liquid from here into here, and then I'm going to just leave it in here for aging. I don't have any more gallon jugs, so this is what I'm going to be aging it in. I'll be right back with my auto siphon. I have my auto siphon. It's a little drippy, but I'm just going to make do. I'm going to put the end of the tube in here. And I have to take the lid off. This. Put it here. Auto siphon in here. And now I'm just, ooh, it's bubbling. Wow. Okay, I'm going to get the pump going. Curious to see how this turned out. This is the recipe that I followed from Welcome Mead, which has recipes from, I believe, the 17th and 18th centuries, maybe 16th and 17th. I should know this, but I don't remember now. So let's say 17th century. I'm pretty sure this one was, oh no, 18th century, because that was in the title of my video. Okay, so it's an 18th century recipe. It had me boil the honey and also put egg white in here, which is the first time I've done that. And it had me ferment on lemons, which I'm curious to know how that's going to turn out. Okay, well, I didn't lose too much and still pretty foggy. I'm going to go ahead, and this is the one where I had put in ale yeast and messed it up somehow. So I ended up adding some just regular yeast that I use. I think it was D47. And that packet had been open for a while, if I recall. So we'll see how this did. It's definitely fermenting. It's definitely bubbling. So yeah, curious to see. Let's dump out some. All right, so I'm going to have at it, and I'll be right back. Really foamy. Oh, okay. This is at 1.020. Now, I did put a little bit more honey in there than the recipe called for, or it was the starting gravity was higher than I expected. But I would still, my guess is this is not done fermenting. I'm going to put a little in a glass just because I'm curious. Put the rest in here. And before I taste this, I'm going to take my label and put it on this jar. And then, do I have a pen? Grabbing a pen, and I'm just going to write the date and what the gravity is today. If I can get the tape to stick to the... Okay. We got that done. I'm going to put the cap on. This is going back in my closet for, I don't know, until it starts looking like it's let all those gases out and done fermenting and maybe cleared up a little bit. This one, since I used egg white in the must, I might, if it doesn't clear by itself, try doing the eggshell method. I've heard that it works on some sort resources that I've watched or read, and I've also heard that it doesn't work. So I kind of need to try it out myself, I guess. And I will probably do that with this if this doesn't clear out. But we'll see. Maybe that egg white will have made a difference somehow. And see, this is already bubbling. Okay. Well, it smells young. It smells... Well, I can smell the lemon and I can smell the rosemary slightly. I don't think I can get past that new flavor. Wait, let me take a couple more sips and then maybe. I don't really taste the, well, no. The aftertaste, there's a hint of rosemary. The lemon's definitely there. But like I said, I could have degassed this, but I'm just going to let it sit and hopefully everything will just bubble out. And yeah, I was thinking this was going to be a dry mead. I usually make mine on the sweeter side, and I was going to let this one be dry, but I don't know. We'll see how this all plays out. You know, once you get past that initial like young mead flavor, it's not so bad. It tastes carbonated at this point. So there's a lot of activity going on there. Gases. I will be back. Probably, I'm going to give this at least 2 or 3 months in this container. And then I will be back with tasting and bottling. So far, so good. I think this one has a chance at being tasty. We'll see. If not anything, rosemary is good for mental clarity and headaches. And I have a bad headache today, so maybe this little bit will help me out. Anyway, I hope this video was useful, and I will see you next time. Thank you.